Welcome to First Capital, your partner who puts performance first. You've probably heard the term collective investment scheme or unit trust before. So we are here to bring you up to speed with one of the fast growing funds in Sri Lanka right now. So, what's a unit trust? A collective investment scheme or a unit trust is where investments are made on a pooled basis by a fund manager aimed towards creating a larger investment fund, resulting in a higher return and diversified risks for the investors. When you invest in the fund, you are allocated units according to how much money you've invested. The fund is managed by a managing company licensed by the Securities and Exchange Commission of Sri Lanka, who use their expertise to increase its value over time. They will invest in assets like fixed income securities, listed equities, real estate, or any other securities authorized by the Commission. The composition of the assets will depend on the fund's risk profile and the mandate. Asset values rise and fall over time depending on interest rate changes and secondary market movements of stocks, bonds, and real estate. Gains, losses, and investment returns are made up of asset price fluctuations, dividends paid by companies to shareholders, interest earned from fixed income securities. Consider a vehicle like a car. If two people regularly traveling from point A to point B always took their own vehicle, they would each spend approximately the same amount of fuel for the same journey every day. Simply put, a collective investment scheme or a unit trust is a powerful pooling vehicle that expands your opportunities in the investment market. But wait, who else is a part of this fund? For this, let's go back to our carpool. In any good carpool, there are a few roles that needs to be considered. Let's look at some of the essential roles that would exist in that carpool. The driver plays one of the most key roles in the vehicle. He ensures that everyone reaches their destination safely, successfully, and on time. In a unit trust, your driver would be the fund manager you select. They oversee and manage the unit trust and the portfolio of investments. So always be sure to pick a professional fund manager who is qualified and experienced to give you the best. The navigator in a vehicle ensures that the driver is on the correct route. While the driver may be in control of the vehicle, the navigator understands each person's destination the best and where they need to be picked up or dropped off. In a unit trust, your navigator would be an independently appointed trustee who remains custody over all the assets during the period of the fund. They represent the interests of the investors who are constantly on the lookout for risks of the route selected for the journey by the fund manager. And last but not least, you as passenger, investor, and unit holder. Once you've made your contribution towards the journey, you can now relax and enjoy the rest of the ride and leave the complicated details to the driver and the navigator, knowing your investment is in professional hands. Not exactly a part of your carpool, but definitely a crucial part of your journey, the traffic cop ensures that your vehicle and all other vehicles too are adhering to the rules and not causing trouble for anyone else. They uphold the law to ensure a safe and better journey for everyone. Cue the SEC, the Traffic Police of Fund Exchange. The SEC will always maintain the interest of the client, investor through international best practices, market intermediary rules, and collective investment scheme code, specifically detailed for fund managers to follow. As a precaution, they make sure to periodically monitor if these practices are being upheld to ensure you are treated fairly and honestly by your fund manager. Money market funds are a collective investment scheme or unit trust fund that invests in short-term fixed income securities with a maximum period of 397 days, which is flexible and provides you with liquidity. Money market funds are not just a great investment choice, they come with a bunch of other benefits as well. First of all, money market funds are a highly liquid fund compared to other income funds that provide you with liquidity. This means your money does not get tied up in one place for any longer than you like. Upon completing the due procedure on redemptions, you can redeem your units at any time and collect your investment just like that. How's that for flexible? A money market fund diversifies your investment across a large base of investments within its portfolio, thereby reducing your risk and helping you earn an attractive return. A money market fund offers you a much more attractive return on your investment than any other financial product out there. Choose the First Capital Money Market Fund for your next investment opportunity. As one of our flagship funds that invests in multiple fixed income securities, including government securities and corporate debts, it offers the flexibility and liquidity of a savings account with regular attractive returns like a fixed deposit.
Hi, I'm Rahul from First Capital Asset Management, and I'm here to help you understand how safe your money is in a unit trust. Unit trusts are a great way to start your investment journey. Your investment would always remain in the custody of the independent trustee, who in our case is the Bank of Ceylon. All investments go through multiple levels of scrutiny by an investment committee comprised of industry experts with diversified knowledge to ensure a positive risk-reward balance. Furthermore, our active research team and fund managers who are licensed by the SEC monitor any economic and market movements on a daily basis to help them plan and deploy dynamic investment strategies. The fund is regularly audited by internal and external auditors, both who are separate entities from the company itself, ensuring an unbiased audit. Like any investment, it bears risk, but what makes a unit trust fund the better choice is the ability to diversify your portfolio to balance out your risk. All the funds are not invested with a single issuer, but spread across multiple issuers, thereby mitigating any concentration risks, while still adhering to internal and regulated investment parameters. Now that you have a better understanding of the safety, security, and the benefits of a unit trust, we welcome you to begin your investment journey with us at First Capital.